Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about corporate social responsibility for UGC NET in commerce. As we know, businesses take resources from society, they take labor from society, they take raw material from society, they use natural resources of society, even they make profit by selling their product in society. Obviously, they also have some responsibility towards society. Corporate social responsibility means responsibility of businesses towards a society. Obviously, businesses will not perform their responsibility without any government intervention. That's why Companies Act 2013 made corporate social responsibility mandatory for certain companies. According to section 135 of Companies Act 2013, every company which is fulfilling any of these conditions in preceding financial year, then it is mandatory for them to spend some part of their profit on development of society. These conditions are if their net worth is 5 crore or more, or their turnover is 1000 crore or more, or their net profit is 5 crore or more. If any of companies fulfilling any of these conditions, then it is mandatory for them to spend some part of their profit on development of society according to section 135 of Companies Act 2013. But how much part of their profit a company need to spend for development of society? According to Companies Act 2013, company need to spend at least 2% of its average net profit made during preceding 3 financial year. Schedule 7 of Companies Act 2013 mentions some activities where companies can spend. Company can spend on education, on healthcare, on poverty alleviation, environment sustainability, socio-economic development, sanitation, sports, heritage, art and culture, rural development, slum area development, disaster management, promoting gender equality, women empowerment, contribute to research and development in field of science and technology. Any company that comes under the provision of a corporate social responsibility according to Companies Act 2013 need to establish one committee. This committee will be called Corporate Social Responsibility Committee. This committee will oversee and manage corporate social responsibility activities. And this committee is responsible for developing, implementing and monitoring companies' corporate social responsibility policies, activities, and can recommend allocation of fund for corporate social responsibility activities. Now is the amendment in corporate social responsibility. Amendment means changes in corporate social responsibility. An amendment in corporate social responsibility was introduced through Companies Amendment Act 2019. And these amendment add some provision for transferring unspent CSR funds. Unspent fund means fund which company was failed to spend on corporate social responsibility during financial year. They increase penalty for non-compliance, and amendment also add more power to central government. So this is about corporate social responsibility. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.